The mind learns how to hold two views without a pull or strain, to see the detail in a form and still remain the same. One eye rests on what appears, each color, edge, and sound. The other senses what it is, as part of wider ground. The detail and the greater whole are held in equal light. No drifting lost in fragments small, no blur that dims the sight. When focus balances its gaze, the noise begins to cease. The mind grows clear, the heart grows calm, and rests in quiet peace. Through steady rhythm, day by day, old habits lose their hold. Attention learns a gentler way, both careful and yet bold. No clinging to what senses bring, no chase of outer proof. The mind releases surface pull and turns toward deeper truth. The detail and the greater whole are held in equal light. No drifting lost in fragments small, no blur that dims the sight. When focus balances its gaze, the noise begins to cease. The mind grows clear, the heart grows calm, and rests in quiet peace. Nor scattering too wide, but holding steady in the space where truth and form reside. Awareness stands both near and far, unmoved by push or sway. The mind reflects the soul's clear sight and learns a truer way. their place within the unity. No struggle left to hold it there, no force to make it stay. The mind aligns with deeper light and sees the whole each day.